Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, middle of the week. I hope you are having a very profitable week because we do expect a couple of events that are going to bring us a lot of volatility on the market. I'm gonna start immediately with the inflation yesterday because the inflation is getting lower, and I love to say less bad because it got lower with 0.1% to 5.3%. Just quickly to remind you, the healthy levels of inflation of each country is around 2%. So United States is far away from this 2% with 5.3% yearly inflation. Federal Reserve, let's say what they have to say because the Fed is relying a lot on the inflation because the Powell, Jerome Powell, 2 months ago says that we have inflation, yes, but this inflation is temporary and very soon it's gonna get back on track, and obviously it's not happening. So next week, quick reminder, is the interest rate, guys. Next Tuesday, 22nd of September, and this is going to be the most volatile event of the month and definitely one of the most interesting in terms of profits. So let's take a look what we got on the fundamental calendar. We started the week with President Lagarde's speech, ECB. Monday, no big impact. Tuesday, yesterday we got CPI. Inflation report in United States went down from 5.4% to 5.3%. Yes, it's an improvement, but still we're much above 2%. After that, we got the Wednesday today CPI inflation report, but this time for UK in about 40 minutes. After that, we have core CPI for Canada, again inflation report for Canada, 12:30. Crude oil inventories, crude oil pushed above the resistance. We're gonna take a look in about a minute. US dollar has been supported actually from the drop of the American indices, from I would say the fear of selling off shares and stocks, but in my personal opinion this is just a correction because the Federal Reserve can't afford to start increasing the interest rates next week due to the high inflation and high unemployment rate. And exactly because of this, I think this US dollar growth push to the upside is just temporary. Thursday, employment change in Australia, 1:30 a.m. GMT. ECB again, President Lagarde is gonna give a speech, not very volatile event. 12 GMT, 12:30 core retail sales in US. Initial jobless claims, important event for the labor market in United States to give us a clue what's going on. 12:30 GMT, exactly the same time like core retail sales. Retail sales 12:30 for US, again this is only on Thursday, and retail sales for UK 6 a.m. GMT. This is it for from the calendar, guys. Let's take a look at the charts because we definitely gonna have potential opportunities this week. Euro US dollar in front of us, we see euro is dropping down. We've been expecting reversal from here, but US dollar just decided not to give up. And when the US dollar is going up, simply the major currency pairs are going down, of course, except USD CAD and USD Swiss and USD Japanese. So 1.18, I definitely gonna keep the same levels. 1.1835 resistance level touched here, and just right now is bouncing back, but I think we gonna see the upcoming push to the upside. Just it's a matter of time. GBP quite similar, tested almost 1.39, 18 resistance level, bounce back and push to the downside. Nothing much, just the GBP is still pretty stable, as you can see, holding the support level 1.3750, 1.36. So just for now, I'm just waiting to see how it's gonna react. Very important day, Wednesday, because the New York Stock Exchange is going to open after the CPI, after the inflation report, and I think in the afternoon we're going to have an amazing session. Australia and US is 0.7314 the current price. Still we have support level here, so around this level we can see the price bouncing up, pretty logical level to see bounce. So Australian USD, I'm still remaining bullish, by the way. Many people are asking me, isn't that a downtrend? Yeah, according to definition, we could say it's a downtrend. But guys, the US dollar just is going pretty big time down because of the Federal Reserve. They're printing a hell lot of money and simply pushing the US dollar that way down. And I don't believe they are going to stop printing money in the near future, because exactly what we talked in the beginning of this video. Inflation very high, unemployment rate very high, so they cannot simply afford to touch the interest rates. I'm gonna be super surprised if they do it. 0.1791 for the New Zealand US dollar, trying to push down from the resistance zone. I think we're gonna see a breakout here, but it's not gonna be easy whatsoever. It already tried a couple of times, and eventually it's gonna break up to in order to test 0.7239, but this is not gonna be easy breakout. USD Canadian, one of my favorites. It's related to crude, as you already know. Let's take a look. Crude oil is breaking out the resistance level. Careful, this could be a false breakout like this one here. Slight drop, false breakout, and then smash to the downside. So 70.87, yes, it could be. The demand could go a little bit up, but still remember there is Delta COVID variant spreading out in US, in China especially again. So sorry. So we definitely can see further pressure to the downside. For now, I am very careful by taking short trades on the crude oil, just simply because of the breakout of the resistance level 69.62, but it's pretty possible. So if you're gonna take buy trades, definitely this is not the best time to do so. USD Canadian staying on the 1.2688. For now, I'm not touching the USD CAD because as you can see, it's fluctuating the last couple of days. No clear direction. Crude oil is having a breakout. Again, no clear direction of the crude, considering the low demand, and the breakout to the upside is absolutely controversial. So just when you see such a like situation, just avoid it, guys. No point look for something that's much more clear, much better. USD Swiss, okay, this is a cool one because we have very strong support level 0.92. The price tried to break out a couple of times. Still don't believe the US dollar is gonna go up, so we have a good push to the downside. The last couple of days the price pushed a couple of times, tried to push a couple of times to the downside, didn't manage to do so. Slight breakout of this level is pretty possible in order to test 0.9296, but nothing more than this. Definitely we have a lot of resistance levels here that could push the USD Swiss down. If you take a look, I'm gonna zoom out a bit just to see what we talk about, a hell lot of drop down. So we have very strong downtrend. Absolutely confident about USD Swiss, and this could be a very nice one. USD Japan still fluctuating, playing around with us, guys. For those who are having running positions on USD Japan, no matter which side you pick, the up or down, it just probably you're going crazy. Come on, when it's gonna go in my direction? Still respecting very clear the support and the resistance levels, 110 zones, even 110.70 and 109.70. Very important zones. Until we see the USD Japanese out of these boundaries, we're gonna see such a price action. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, expect mine even Monday. Support our YouTube channel by sharing and liking us on the social medias, Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, get back to me. Have fun. Bye bye.